Bio Gym. View this video in its entirety before beginning any treatment procedure with the Dermocell Bio Gym unit. Electrostimulation is the application that stimulates the electric impulse the nervous system sends to the muscle, which carries out the contraction. The energetic or isometric Bio Gym produces muscular contractions by means of the bipolar current of low frequency. The isometric contractions are ones in which there is no muscular reduction or movement. When a sustained force is applied, this contraction type affects muscular tone and development of the musculature. This is designed specifically for weight loss treatments in which extensive results are achieved due to the energy consumption that the contraction type causes. Therapeutic treatments are recommended for patients with problems of liquid retention and for stimulating circulation. Bio Gym E16 controls and indicators. LCD screen serves as the visual interface of the functions of the unit. On and off key turns on and turns off the unit. It has an indicator light. Enter key leads to the next presentation. Back key goes back to the previous presentation. Pause key temporarily stops the treatment execution. It has an indicator light. Up key increases the adjusted variable value. Down key decreases the adjusted variable value. Start key starts the treatment execution. Master control. This switch is used to uniformly regulate the intensity in all the 8 treatment outlets. This switch only works if the function is selected. Individual control. This switch is used to individually control the intensity of each treatment outlet. Individual control is only available in the operation menu. Electrode connector. Entrance connector for the electrode cable port. Reset button. This button is found in the front part of the console and is used to restart the system in case it freezes. To turn on the Bio Gym E16 unit. To turn on the unit, press the on and off key and check that the LCD screen is on. The on and off key is also lit. In the event there is an open switch, the unit won't begin the session and it shows the following screen accompanied by a warning sound. To fix this problem, make sure that all treatment outlet switches are closed. Press enter and contraction time will appear. The range is variable from 1 to 45 seconds. The value can be changed with the up or down key. Press enter and relaxation time will appear. The range is variable from 1 to 75 seconds. The value can be changed with the up or down key. Press enter and frequency variable will appear on the screen. The range is adjustable from 1 to 140 pulses per second. The variable can be changed with the up or down key if desired. Press enter and work time will appear. The range is adjustable from 5 to 120 minutes. The value can be changed with the up or down key. Press enter and the maximum intensity variable will appear on the screen. The range can be changed between 100 to 250 units, which are in accordance to the design of the machine. Use the up and down keys to change the value if necessary. Press the enter key and the selection exit control will appear on the screen. There are 2 options, master control or individual control. Press the enter key and the type of outlet will appear on the screen. There are 3 options, monopolar minus, monopolar plus, and bipolar plus or minus. Use the up and down keys to change the value if it is desired. Press the enter key and the outlet signal selection will appear on the screen. There are 2 options, synchronous mode and asynchronous mode. On this screen, the 8 treatment outlets can be configured. Use the up and down keys to change the selection if it is desired. Press the enter key and the summary of variables will appear that the Bio Gym E16 handles in respect to the values and status. In addition, the machine will ask if the values are in accordance to what the operator chose. It offers 2 options, yes or no. If the choice is no, and it is desired to change a variable, press up and select the option no. Next, press the enter key and the next screen will be contraction time. If you agree with the chosen value, press enter and continue to the start of the session screen. There will be an alert on this screen when the equipment is ready to start the session. The session will not start unless all of the switches are turned off. Press Start to begin the treatment session. The execution screen will appear. On this screen, it will indicate that the session is in execution and offers a summary of the variables of the parameters that are characterized by the session in progress. Once the session is in execution, it can only be stopped when the work time has expired or when the pause key is pressed. If it is desired to change the value or status of a variable of the treatment session, press Enter and continue again to the contraction time screen. If it is desired to continue with the treatment session, press Start and the session will begin again. Physiological effects, therapeutic and aesthetic indications, muscular contraction and motor effect, muscular strengthening, muscular hypotonies, muscular atrophies, facial paralysis, body paralysis, relaxation of contracted muscles, and increase of muscular tone. Analgesic effect, increase of metabolism, improvement of lymphatic drainage, and helps to eliminate waste products. Stimulates local cellular metabolism. Heavy increase of the temperature at a local level, producing a vasodilation effect, improving the circulation at a local level. Activates lipolysis. Localized obesity, cellulite, localized lipodystrophies, cutaneous tensor effect. All of these effects are produced when the impulses have sufficient time of intensity to reach an adequate threshold of muscular contraction or nervous excitability. The low-frequency currents, which have short duration, low intensity, and low frequency, have aesthetic effects. Indications: use frequencies under 1 to 20 Hz and above 80 to 120 Hz in chronic processes. The intensity is based on the perception of the patient and not on the milliamperial reading. Contraindications: epilepsy, pregnancy, on osteosynthetic material, uncontrolled diabetes, patients with pacemakers or cardiac affections, after a major surgery, over varicose veins. It is recommended that after the observation of this video, that you should carefully read the instruction manual. There, you will find different protocols and many aesthetic and therapeutic treatments.